some people know me, obviously. I've got almost 1,500 followers and 500 videos. But my name's Brian. I'm a hard-working welder, father, fiance. Got a good, awesome family. Good-looking old lady. We work hard to make cool videos. It might not be the best quality, but we're working on it. She touched my butt crack. But we're working on it. And I just feel like we're working very, very hard for very little to nothing. Well, I don't want a whole lot. I don't want a whole lot at all. I just want a home for my family and a little garage to work on projects in. So, I don't need a whole lot, but I do have some fans on here that are, pushing me on. Every time I don't make a video for a few days, one of them will pop up, bing. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's because I'm not making videos like this, which I would love to make videos like this. I'm not smart enough. Or I just need an editor. I'm not sure. I just needed somebody to help me. Yeah, guys, I'm losing my mind, and I don't want to cry on here. I don't want to whine on here. Do that enough on stream, and I'm tired of doing that. I don't know what to do here. I've got almost 500 videos, if not 500. I'm losing count because I'm posting so dang many, trying to catch an audience or catch a what's it need? Watch hours. Catch watch hours. I just don't know if it's possible for a guy like me, and I just want my people to know that I truly do care about you, and it makes my day. It makes me so happy. You guys have pushed me forward. I haven't had a drink in months, and I mean months. It's been months, and our lives do better when I drink. But the people that do check in every day, that's not the side of me they want to see, and that's awesome. That makes me want to do better. I just want a home, maybe a couple four-wheelers, ride through the woods. I don't want a whole lot. What do you want?
Same thing.
Yeah, she's pretty much just along for the ride, guys. But hey, man, we don't start making more money, she might be gone. Might be gone. She might hit the road. But hey, I don't know, guys, what to say here. I really don't. I'm just trying to get a little video like this out there, see if anybody interacts with it and whatnot. I would absolutely love to get some kind of project car on here. Working on it with Brantley would be awesome. Streaming, I love streaming, guys. That's what I love to do. I just want the stream set up to be able to go out and stream all day long. Hang out, doing cool stuff, seeing the world maybe. That would be the ultimate goal, but, riding Harleys, doing cool stuff, man, that's what I love to do. I don't want a whole lot, We're not trying to get rich, we're just trying to build a little community of guys trying to do better and live out the American dream. Guys like me, man, we might have had a checkered past. You guys got to think, man, I lost my mom when I was 13 years old. My dad abandoned me a month later. If I wouldn't have met somebody like her to bring me in and shelter me long enough to get my act together and see what, you're supposed to be, who knows where I'd be at, honestly. When I met her, we're out riding Hondas day and night. That's all he could afford. That's all me and the boys could afford. Don't hate on us. We all got Silverados and everything else now. Don't worry about that. I love my Hondas. I like to have me a little shit getter. But, that's just the kind of guy I am. I love all cars, man. I love all cars, trucks, everything. That's the kind of person I am. It's like animals, man. I love fishing, but I always think it makes me think about my step-grandpa, and he did not like fishing unless you were starving. You needed a fish to eat. Why go fishing, That's how kind of person he was, and I adopted a lot of that. And I know it's just me rambling, but fuck. I edit that out. No, it's just me rambling, but, I need a little bit of hope here, man. Need to see a little bit of light at the tunnel. Because at this point, I've got 500 videos, ain't made $1. What's the point here? I have made $6 on Facebook, and I've only been posting there for a a couple days now. So that's awesome, man. That's a blessing. And, you know, I'll try to link that down below. Maybe you guys come check me out there. But you know, I love YouTube, and this has always been a dream of mine since I was just a little boy. I know me and my friend got a video on here from these little boys. And I ran out pants demon, who knows if it's still on here. But, man, that's what I'm saying. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. I've always wanted to be able to take care of my family. And, well, just welding in this crappy little town ain't doing it. And I feel like I got broken wings at this point. I can't fly out. Can't break out. So if you just want to help a good old boy like me, and maybe we can start some kind of cool community where sinners like me don't get judged too much. You know, the church I go to, they don't judge me at all. So they gave me a lot of hope in churches. You know, I went in there, rolled my sleeves up, went in there, necks all showing. Maybe forgot to take the chain off. And you know what I mean? Nobody's looked at me wrong. Nobody said nothing. I'm just there. And it's a blessing from God. He showed me a boy like me. You know what used to happen to me when I go to church? Man, get beat out of us. For what, man? For what? Nothing. Not so much me as much as my little cousins did, 'cause there's a lot of us in the house. But yeah, man, we're just some good old boys and girls trying to break out of this cycle, man. Just welding in a shop with no insulation ain't doing it. Please check out the rest channel. You like this video, God bless, man. Keep us in your thoughts. We're going to keep you guys in ours. Trust and believe. I ain't got her for hostage, man. That's just how burnt down and tired we are. God bless, man. For real.
God bless.